So first thing, I go inside the ink, the skin first, and then I start my movement. Little circles, same speed all the time. When I finish, it's solid, it's black, okay? You have loads of ways to do it. My way is to like little circles and constant. Also have, you go up and down, you know? So you start like this, go inside the ink and go up and down. And you move like to the right or the left, doesn't matter. And you have solid as well. So one, I'm doing this movement, and another one, I'm doing this movement here. I felt this one dangerous because you come back all the time to the beginning when you start. So it means you're hurting more this when you start put the ink. So sometimes you can hurt the skin this way. But if you have a really good control, you can like go inside and go like up, down, and you have like a really solid thing, okay? Another way, really aggressive way, the old guys doing it, the old school guys doing it. They you like do it like loads of time. But it's also solid, okay? It hurts a little bit more the skin. You cannot, if you have some part that is not solid, you cannot go over again to make a touch up because you hurt too much the skin.
Yeah.
Your client, you'll be like tired and really tender after a few hours because you're moving a lot, you're not being gentle with the skin. So for me, what I think the best option is this one because it's like slower a little bit but hurts the skin less, okay? So you go inside, make your circles, moving around to the left, up, doesn't matter. It's solid and the skin is not too hurt, okay? Some persons have problem with this movement, so they you go like up and down, no problem at all. And this one is faster. Can you see like I can cover the whole part? If you go for like a traditional, it's kind of cool because you spend like at least 2 hours on your work. You don't need to do any gradients. You do like solid colors or like the chopping. So kind of works. It'll be really painful, but works.
Yeah, sweet. And that's another thing to consider, again, when you touch skin, but you only have a finite time on the skin, that's the trouble, before you overwork it. It's like there's so many times you can pass it and then you've got to leave it, otherwise it's overworked. If you overwork it, it'll come out anyway.